Hello beautiful family, welcome back again to another video. Today we are making chicken pepper soup. Yes, chicken light soup. And we all know that in this Christmas season the weather is very cold, so we need some hot chicken soup pepper. Yes, if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and be part of this family. Let's get started. And of course it's chicken soup, so we're going to need our chicken, and that is soft chicken I'm using. You can use the hard one if you want, but for now this is what I have. To that I have some turkey berries, pepper, green bell pepper, garlic, and some ginger as well, some carrots and onions. To that I have some fresh tomatoes, mackerel, and some tomato paste. Alright, so into our pot I'm going to add in my vegetables, and I'm going to cook this for at least 15 to 20 minutes to soften very well. Add some water to cook until it is nice and ready. In this chicken soup recipe I'll be needing my rosemary and some anise seed, a salt to taste, some chicken spices, and my all-purpose seasoning. Yes, so into my blender I'm going to add in my seasoning. That's my onions, ginger, garlic, rosemary, and some anise seed. Add some water and blend until this becomes very smooth. So next, into our cooking pot I'm going to add in my chicken. Everything is nicely washed. Add some chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, a salt to taste, our blended ingredients as well. To that I'll add some tomato paste, chopped onions, and 1 glass of water. So we're going to steam this on low flame for like 15 to 20 minutes to cook very well. And now it's been about 15 minutes of cooking our vegetables and it is ready. So we're going to transfer all this into our blender and blend until everything becomes very smooth. Yes, and if you haven't liked this video, please do well to like this video, like, comment, and share this video to reach wider audience. And to my returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me from day one. And of course it's been 15 minutes of steaming our chicken, and just look at how juicy it looks right now. At this point I'm just going to stir this for like 1 minute and cover this again to cook for additional 10 to 15 minutes. And please remember I'm using soft chicken, so be mindful of how you stir your chicken. Yes, so I will cover this for extra 10 to 15 minutes to cook very well. So now our blended ingredients is ready, so I'll add in a little bit of water to it, and our soup base is ready, so I'll add it to it. And just look at how juicy the chicken base looks. It looks so appetizing and delicious as well. So at this point I noticed that my soup is still thick, so I need to add in more water. So one thing about Ghanaians is that Ghanaians love very watery soup. That's how we prepare our pepper soup. Yes, but I can see Nigerians pepper soup looks very thick, but we Ghanaians, we prefer it this way. It all depends on you. Some want it very light and some want it thick like this. Yes, so I'll go ahead and add in my mackerels for extra taste. Yes, when you add mackerels to your chicken soup, you're going to love it as well. So I taste for salt and it wasn't enough, so I added in 1 tablespoon of salt. And of course I love my soup with okra and some pepper to make it really hot for me. It's totally optional. You can choose to omit the okra and pepper part. So I've been cooking this soup for like 20 minutes, and just see how it's cooking right now. It looks so appetizing and delicious. Yes, I can't wait to taste this soup part. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video to reach wider audience. And of course it's been additional 10 minutes of cooking our chicken soup, and it looks all ready now. So guess what I'm going to eat with this soup? I'll be enjoying this soup with my fufu. You can eat this with banku, rice, anything you wish, you can eat it. Even kukunte, you are good to go. And just look at how my fufu is looking, guys. You are all invited. You are all invited to my house, but unfortunately, I am done with this fufu. Yeah, so let me serve and enjoy. And fam, what do you think about this chicken rice soup? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you also so much for watching this video to this point. I love you so much, and if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, please do well, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And to my returning and new subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and stay blessed.